Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive right into managing product development cycles in Monday.com. The first step is to create your project. You do this by clicking on the New button at the top of the screen, choosing Project, and then entering your project name and details. This helps us because it allows us to organize our work in a clear and structured way. Now that we've done that, we can start adding updates to our project. Updates are essentially tasks or milestones that we need to complete in order to move our product forward. You add an update by clicking on the Add Update button, filling in the details, and then clicking Save. The reason we do this is to keep track of the progress we're making and ensure that we're sticking to our timeline. Next up, we need to assign team members to our updates. You can do this by clicking on the Assign button and then selecting the relevant team members. This is important because it ensures that everyone knows what they're responsible for and can be held accountable for their tasks. Once we've assigned team members, we can start using the timeline feature. The timeline is a visual representation of our product development cycle, showing when each update is due to be completed. You can create a timeline by clicking on the Timeline button and then dragging and dropping your updates into the relevant positions. This helps us because it gives us a clear overview of our product development cycle and allows us to easily see if we're on track. Finally, we need to keep track of our progress. Monday.com offers a range of tracking features, such as the progress bar and the status updates. These features allow us to see at a glance how well we're doing and make adjustments if necessary. Let me explain why this matters. By regularly monitoring our progress, we can identify any issues early on and take steps to address them, ensuring that our product development cycle stays on track. And that's it. We've now covered the basics of managing product development cycles in Monday.com. Remember, create your project, add and assign updates, use the timeline feature, and keep track of your progress. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to managing your product development cycles effectively and efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.